favorite part was probably not like the big moments of like the big games and stuff like that, but definitely the small moments of like, oh, I'm out of mask and I get to interact with this one person.
London is so special in so many ways. Honestly, just enjoy your time. It's so amazing being part of this community. It's so tight-knit, and I don't know, we just all love each other, and it's so phenomenal.
I would not have found this group if I had not gotten involved in the groups that I had. If you find something that you're passionate about, do it. You know, do something that you love, have that fun, and then those connections that you make within those groups are going to take you so many different places.
Going out, hanging signs, seeing students that you just seen like 3 years ago that you may not even remember, but it's like they just remember you, and it's like so important that you just make those connections. It was just a super phenomenal experience and so amazing.
Just spending that time with so many people for that same reason of being just a Bowling Green student was everything I could have asked for about being in the group itself.